I'm going to tell you about. In school, we have to make a poster of us of why we should stay safe with the seatbelts. Like here, my little brother has a seatbelt, and so we're doing it because our school is in Sharjah, but we're doing it because in the UK, 40 years ago, they made the law of putting seatbelts in cars. So that's why we should make a poster for making of wearing seatbelts. Just like this little seatbelt on the baby chair.